But over this country, we have Stone Boy and Shatta Wale. I do to you say they are the top-notch dancehall artists in Africa. Shatta and Co baby. But on we saw reflect here, the career is taking dip. The career is being reversed, and I say stagnant.
Same.
Jamaica Otmasi. The career now is stagnant.
So America now open say o shipping nyoma e free Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. O diane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo free Box Oak says ya o fro ma when imra also no mu jina wabobo ano o ma be box nyoma ne kama. Na omo dia call Ghana asumdwe mama omo so eni gisem ba ko e kan ne say o fro ma ka kire say enam the BonahShow so na o te omo nka omo so mprempren na omo beche 10% discount.
Eya Ghana entertainment industry me therefore. Eya enra ewo UTV Bulldog any Shatta Wale case no ekopiem na omo de platform no ema Bulldog and a Bulldog ebe chere nia so between one Wale any baby a case no akodru Bulldog ekasa kama Bulldog ye nipa anytime all can be about Shatta Wale biano you can feel say Bulldog any Shatta Wale there is a bond between them all very deep and with Bulldog must steady nipa or can Wale asem biana me dofo utimi say adwene da ho. You can tell say Odowale ankasa naturally onye say bia you fake Odowale but just say bia omumienu no bibinti omuntimi nyeden e movie mom okasa kama ono kwa asem ye na asem no medofo wanfa nko ba bia ana anod bem in a very professional way but say die ntia say bia asem no ma ye free court all of a sudden asem na twa abusua na omo ye involved ni nyina no sabi o makoma ebeba form na say one with the mecho no bia benya ne peace ani ebie platform yi ema ZIGA senior sabi onso no wani afi unim de wa unim say case where a very sensitive case sabi nipa no kwa asem ne fa no ho no wa jam enu ti wo be kan bia e wo say wo kan say de sitie na Papa nensem na wo de beka ho no. O pese wo defame Shatta Wale anase den. Wo na wo ba be che Shatta Wale say onko rounds enko bu nkotodwe enko pepa amanfo achew. Say ensem a wo ka fa Wale ho nyina. Se a Wale ba bonten. Se papa ensem a wo ka kire me no wan kasa ye. Ebe haw. Wo be ka se Wale mu ade. But ensem a wo kwotena show ni so a wo ka kire no no. Yenka sansem ni nkyere artist. Me mpese me do be kwa chiri my monra UTV video ni nyina wa ha na hwe nsema sebi ZIGA eka fa Shatta Wale ho se o akwantum o abrochire na o pese o send sika ko momo number so e wo Ghana ana se o pese o send sika eko bank account bi so e wo Ghana me therefore ma men kan for lemfi ema de ntia me kan for lemfi ema nyina ne se o pay money transfer o mo exchange rate e wo soro kese pa e lemfi na ni gisem crackers here and say Europe now we have first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback and now UK now your first £50 transfer amount £10 cashback or Canada any Americans now you have $100 first transfer amount $20 cashback nemum answer na benya cashback no mema rain fi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code.
But I see, I want to say this. Wale, say apology we know adiaba. A man in Sohonoma. As I saw stretching this apology to Obi Bia wa offending on this country. Because he has offended a lot of people. And it is affecting his career. I'm telling you. You cannot fight the system and win. When only Bulldog go on. Look at the Wale that need. Never a new Bulldog on canon. The Wale that need. You get me?
That's it.
Che. Oko baby to say Jamaica. Competition was hopa dancehall competition. So because we are dancehall artists, to person use dancehall and yeah. Obi to say Bujubantini Junior Reed. A huge banter. And a Bujubantini Konya sa cocaine case now or go jail. When he came back, they're still making it. You get me? I am alive. Gagamel, freedom, all these things, making stride in the music market. Obit is a vibes capture number Movado. They heated the beef about in the history of world music. Not even Tupac Amaru Shakur, your first B.I.G. Or much Jamaica Mutu. The Portmore people and the Kingston, what they call Gaza and the Julie, will be go video. And so serious. Then Vibes went to jail. Oba and he's still making it. They were.
Yeah.
But over this country, we have Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale. I do to you who say they are the top-notch dancehall artists in Africa. Shatta and Ko baby. But on we saw reflect here, the career is taking dip. The career is being reversed, and I say stagnant.
Same.
Jamaica Otmasi, the career now is stagnant.
He's still releasing songs.
No, listen. You can release songs. You can have a social media presence every day, a better one. But what we know Shatta Wale for is music.
Maybe what's maybe how will you know?
What we know Shatta Wale is music. 2020, had it not been 100 Las Vegas, I could have hits. And what another problem they start to say about? That's the mini industry. Yes.
No, hits.
Yeah, listen. You do music audit, artist music audit. 2020, all start all these things. Senya 100 Las Vegas, I could have hits. And it's a fact.
90 and the review we're releasing.
What we releasing 88 songs a year. What me it more than 80 songs in a year.
That is how you want to release it.
Yes, good. Now listen. From 2020, issue started say about or started say OTT and Kofo National. From 2020, ABC 2025, 5 good years, and an A-list artist cannot boast of 10 popular songs nationwide hit song. Opa Kabichi.
And Kofo send OTT
Malisa, on God, 100 Las Vegas, and the Gringo Crown was back. And what hit baby? The social media presence, is louder than the works. But Titi and Kofu be DJs, broadcasters, movers and shakers of music industry, and Kofu we are at the floor. And what this country, what Casadia, spiritual and physical, everything is going against you.
Shatta is coming back.
To where?
Shatta is working.
He's like
Empress, I love the guy.
No, me just Juma. Do you follow him?
I want to follow Shatta Wale say. Remember, today, if I give you Mahama paper, your daughter and also bad boy, I won at that period, I know 6 years. Okay, so to meet me at Watch.
Now, some media for most money.
That's what I'm saying. That it not mean say he's not releasing songs, and also not releasing good songs. He's releasing good songs, but he's fighting the system. And one.
And I make sure say or fighting system, no, I find a different way with social media.
Different way, social media. The Bonah
it's a system no can na mukutia.
Me na me it's a media na me akwetiano. Me nya bibia nkuntiano. Efutuo na me de ma no. Jamaica Otmasi, efutuo na ye ni na ye de ma no. And it's a fact. Mebwa, it's a fact. Shatta Wale that we know, Stonebwoy, giving us back to back. Where is Wale?
Wale is giving you back.
I'm not Beba. You have followed Beba. Empress, let me flow. Empress, let me flow. What follow music? What follow music? Why a publicity? Why a blog? Mebwa. What column near there? Can occur. And you release. You can choose to release songs every year. But say a hit
He has hate.
Now someone hate me. What?
Killer Jimmy and a
hate.
Yeah, Baby Kalem Show. Beba, Malisa level. Level. Malisa level. Mahama paper. 1 year, yeah. I don't need to say it.
On God,
on God is me say for 5 years. For 5 years.
On God, you are by name.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know where you don't pay attention.
This song no call Jamaica.
Ose.
Only song no call Jamaica.
Meba. Now, when you don't following me, I said, the first from 2020 ebesi baby every
near chat woni say okọ Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana be Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe baby adam wasomadwo obepe baby a 100% security 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope baby adam wasomadwo wa obe sorry with my year aduane live to say there sabi uti ufie papa bi ma frɛ Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com.
I don't know why I hit pan nationwide hit. An 8-year-old girl bet me up to me. Up to now, it's not even up to 10 for 5 years. But I don't know competitor no. Ebia obet me all man fans bragging right. The competitor is giving us back to back. A hit songer. Obiat me na ya na cover by you.
Na system ne ye na omu system ne kutia no. Then na system so on sorry keke me ba Mr. Shatta sorry keke so oba be fight system. What really happened? Be ma Shatta be ka say okay memo bi am bomenyu because you telling me say you follow him.
Okay.
Ti die pa na ba ya Shatta etumi kan na otumi kan say memo be am money because there was something that would trigger him for
yes but see who manager or artist now manager your manager your manage tolerant and egoism account chebia who follow music your manager say no man account
okay
you cannot say a more be am how can you survive? Can you use social media today alone?
Because they no mo here no.
And I make sure say I don't want to go back there. Okay. I don't want to go back. And I mean can no money be. But no maybe we are some play areas. You have to apply native fees to me finance account.
Okay.
You have insulted almost every single soul in this country.
There no
movies and shakers also. There are some people o man in bibia o. Ebia wo no manya problem. Me person mabubudin. But ebia me na me Shatta Wale. Me no any problem. Then I stretch the insult to ebia honorable Hobson. What is no good? And the people that were insulted are big men, big time people. Oma create employment. Ama nkofo adwumaye. Oma be radio station, television stations. And omo television stations no radio stations no. And na matrama kwa radio stations television stations. Better ones ekuta big platforms. And they also have influence over other radio stations near there. Jamaica what I say.
Okay.
And a sober reflection. Oma budiano and spark sad. Who swallow you egoism and session. Uncle Biana so one because I believe in you. You can take awards. International Reggae Award, Music Awards, Kwaji Johono, a blue year under review, and fans are no man in camp. Or Jamaica what I say. Yeah, a free year. I know you remember a free year, Wuta, a free year, yes. Wuta Kobi. When a free year won High Life Song of the Year, what did the guy said? He said you can win award, but you don't get money. You understand? He said you are not getting money, it's not louder. You can win an award, but you back Ghana has here. You better on car now the normal you better on car now the do be at Facebook. You better on car now we are to be master we are Shatta Wale fans. We want to take you, we want to reset Shatta Wale.
Okay.
And on Tiasie, you get me? I may ask a bush on in India do maybe. Debi ameka sase we say empress. Debi ameka sase we say empress. Aduma ye ti aye. Enu obi na betime e pandutri. Enye se bia wo to video cassette. Chichi betime abeka enwom ho asem. It is never true. Enye se e bia wo to nyom. Etu betime aye pandutri ti se de bu ne ulane ajani anodoya. You get me? Bu is a manager. Yenu when Shatta, and that's a Tiana maker. I don't know Tiana, you were not here. I said it. And I have said it all over. Ubisa Kwaku Bekacho. That I can't minimum. I have said it. When you were handing Shatta Wale, you knew Shatta. Tamanan and Tamatatian, we saw him. When we came back, we saw Shatta Wale. Now that you are not with Shatta Wale, we know Shatta Wale. You get me? So you know the job.
Yeah, men can be.
Was I? Yeah. He knows the job. Papa B, you're from a garages.
History.
Yeah, now, or sign contract with the VP Records or Grease Leaves Records. and what the upfront man the court of you UK ne Jamaica ne. So the contract was that say records now pa obetimi terminate contract anytime omu tua bibia fama. But because also what huge sums of money every year be an obomo 2 albums. The 2 albums for 10 good years. Onya about 3 years na sika nasa. And it's 7 years and so providing albums. And at a point you realize that no per want away. And almost the contract me say also or started or 2 Polish songs and no man and now I'm terminating the contract. And Gregory decided to start coming out with the songs and you could say a inform the record label to time. But because it was their job to make Gregory Isaacs a hit or release no mama na hit on what the book na count. So that is what you can say manager obi o manage you who bet me to be but you know the person knows when you bet me catch us that baby I bet me hit I bet me hit month I release ya a bet me aboa obi catch us release the rainy season we no dry season if we catch us me release no the Christmas that obi said Easter that is the part of it. All take key sober reflection na apology no the ama bulldog and soup bulldog kwaso uncle baby Ghana will love him again and revive his career again.
Thank you. We still love him. I love him.
Yeah, we love him.
Say akwantum abrochire na opese o send sika ko momo number so e wo Ghana and say opese o send sika e ko bank account bi so e wo Ghana. Me therefore mama kan for lemfi amount. The enti am kan for lemfi amount nyina ne say ope money transfer omo exchange rate e wo soro kese pa e lemfi. Na ni gisem crack kese ne say wo Europe. Now we have first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback. And now we UK. Now your first £50 transfer amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans now you have $100 first transfer amount $20 cashback. Nemum answer na benya cashback no. Mema remfi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemun so say wa America. Na opese o ship nyoma free Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Odiane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo fre Box Oak says ya o fro ma when imra also no mujina waboboa no omba be box nyoma ne kama. Na omu dia call Ghana asumdwe mama. Omo so eni December akwa account ne say o fro ma ka kire say enam the BonahShow so na o te omunka. Omo so mprempren na ombecha 10% discount. Nia chat woni se o ko Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana abeko Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe ba bia dam asomadwo obepe ba bia e 100% security e 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope ba bia dam asomadwo wa obe sorry with my ye aduane live to say sabi uti ufie papa bi ma fre Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com.